You know when you and your boys accidentally all buy Porsche 911s? Well, that kind of happened.
How old are you? How much do you weigh?
So I recently picked up my 991.2 Porsche GT2 RS. My friend Obi got a 991.2 GT3 RS. And then this past weekend, my friend Qasim just got a 992 GT3 RS. So all of us have some Porsches. My closest friends have Porsches now. My wife has a 911 Porsche. And then we have about 3 other friends that are coming along today. We're all gonna meet up and have a little Porsche group date thing going on. And we're gonna do some rollers, some shots and everything. So I'm gonna take you guys with me today. It's Sunday. I've just come back from having lunch with my wife. We just finished a bunch of work earlier in the morning as well. And now we're going to go have some fun. A little bit of an office update. My assistant helped me put up some of this greenery on this wall because I felt like it was really, really blank. So it makes it look a little bit better now, but we'll see if this actually helps with echoing or not. I don't really know. So I got this new camera setup. This is a Sony ZV-E10. All right, shout out to the homies who recommended me this. So far, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty good. You guys let me know if you guys like this camera quality or not. I'm testing it out and it's really, really convenient. So I'm gonna be using this for like just my normal YouTube tutorial stuff and also the vlogs. But anyways, welcome to the vlog. And we got the GT2 out. Oh man, I love this car, man. Ever since I got this car, it's literally all I've been driving. But we're gonna take it out today. This is the best part. The interior, the red, oh my God, it just makes it feel so much more special. All right, wish I could wide lens this, but it's all good. Start her up. And we got a nice open road too.
Mine's is bigger.
What are you talking about?
Physically, his is bigger.
What's bigger again?
The camera.
We got a lot of Porsches out here.
You know we're both Asian, right?
A lot of cars here. Let me go park this damn thing first. This is Sean's, right?
Yeah.
Wow, Sean. Forgot about that. Turn this off. Oh, God. Whoo, wow. All right, let's take a look at that lineup right there. Is this about to be the thumbnail right here? That might be it right there. My GT2. This is the first time I've seen this actually. Is
it's gorgeous.
Sean's new 3RS?
Yeah, I think he bought it for himself.
Yeah.
Obviously, nothing he buys is never not for sale, but if somebody gives him enough, but it's a personal car.
Do we know if this is matte paint?
It's black with matte PPF.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Gotcha. That was still a great fucking spec. Wow. Very
It has
nice.
everything. Brakes, the whole nine.
The whole shebang. Damn, this looks really
Bro,
neat.
I like
in
this
black.
Spec. I like this spec.
This is the spec that you kind of wanted, didn't you?
Yeah,
like black.
This is the same as the STL.
Yeah, the OBs. This is personally, in my opinion, this is the best color on 911s right here. Miami blue. You cannot go wrong with this thing. This is Qasim's new GT3. Elias's new one, right here. He got the new wheels. I don't know what wheels these are, but they're sick.
There's some guys here that are here to buy his car right over there.
Oh shit.
And
They look like my people.
They do look like your people. And so because of that, they're obviously very
Nitpicky, okay.
I was like, I don't know if I should say it or not,
The
but
first thing they smell.
right.
What do you, Elias, what do you think they'll smell the first thing?
No, it smells like sunshines and roses. That's all.
Dude,
bro.
this guy goes, I never beat up any of my cars. I'm like, bro, shut up.
No,
First
I
day he bought that car,
babied
he went 200.
And it is for sale at Exotic Car Factory. So if you are interested, please come on in.
Sorry, customers who end up buying his car afterwards. Sean, my man.
How are you?
I'm sure you're having a difficult time selling that vehicle, right?
It's impossible.
It's impossible to sell that car, right?
Impossible.
Hey,
You did
your
this to
car
yourself.
sat for a minute too.
What car?
GTS.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it was also half a
like
million dollar
30,
car, dude.
30 days max.
Maybe
Yeah,
30
half a
days.
million.
4 days for me.
$500,000 car.
It's not sold though.
It's not sold.
It's not sold.
I'm not gonna. You know the thing is, the buyer for a $500,000 car is different than a buyer for a $100,000 car.
Yeah.
Hey, this
So
one's
much more
under
easier going.
100.
Well,
Yeah,
This is under 100.
Whoa,
cost-
okay.
the cost of his-
Round up.
The total cost of his, the
$79,000.
total cost of his car is the down payment for the other one.
Correct. Correct.
The other one's down payment was like 200 grand.
What type of buyer are we talking about here though?
Let's zoom in.
Yeah.
Zoom in on Kevin's face.
What type of buyer? Here you go.
Yeah. This.
Right here. Wait, we're all Asian of some sort. All of us.
Are you Asian?
Us Asians be.
You're not Asian.
We do like our Astons.
Or Afghani's Asian?
I'm Southeast Asian.
No, we're Southeast Asian.
Yeah,
No, we're Southwest
No,
Asian.
we're South Asian.
South Asian. No,
I'm Southeast.
Southeast Asian.
I'm Southeast Asian.
Southeast is like him.
Yeah, but then
We're
that's-
Southeast Asian.
They're South
South
Asian.
Asian.
Sean thinks he's fucking
We're
white.
Southwest Asian.
Sean thinks he's white.
Right? Is that
South Asian-
Southeast? Right? That's
South
us.
Asian
That's us.
is just
I'm
Indian.
from the West. I'm from.
Sean's like, I'm Canadian.
West Side. I like the segregation. I like it.
What's the game plan?
Game plan, we're just gonna roll. That's it.
We're just gonna roll, get some clips.
Some clips. Thinking about 241, 261.
How many Porsches do we expect to be here today?
So we got two 2RSs, two 992 RSs, two 991 3 RSs. That's 7, and your car. That's 8. It's just 7 cars.
We just accidentally formed a Porsche club.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere.
Well, it was kind of went like this. It was he
You got
bought
yours.
one,
That's
and
right.
then I looked at Pac and I was like, Pac, if you buy one, I'll buy one. And then Pac bought his.
I did buy one.
And then my brother bought his. And I was kind of like, I don't know, man. I don't know or not. And then I almost bought,
weren't
but-
you shitting on this fucking car at first?
Absolutely.
You were shitting
You
on
know
this
what I realized? I think it was because when I test drove the car, I was too focused on the 0 to 60. That was it. I was just like, is it 0 to 60 fast or not? And then when I finally bought the car, I could drive it how I wanted to.
Yeah.
Because it's not a consignment car.
Exactly.
If you guys don't know what that means, consignment means somebody else gave Sean the car to sell, but they still own the car.
Right.
So you can't really test drive it
can't do it the way
too
you
hard. Yeah. So when I bought the car that day, I fucking ripped the motherfucker. I drove from fucking Irvine to Corona, from Corona to LA, from LA to Anaheim, back to LA.
You're
back to
actually
Irvine.
able to push it to
And I was,
comfortably.
exactly. Yeah. It is still slower than the STO, but it's fun. It's fun.
And the turbo-less.
Damn. Did you have to point that out?
I don't understand, dude. Do you
have
that's
to point
on
that
camera.
out?
That's on camera. So if
have
you
to?
no, that's fine. You can talk shit. That's no problem.
But that's a gentle talk shit.
no. This is
No,
what
but that's
we just had
gentle.
a phone
It is.
call.
This is gentle.
No, we just had a phone call. I said I will not talk shit to you because you keep crying.
Yes, because you talk
So
about my
stop talking
ex-girlfriends
shit.
and you talk about my fucking.
I'll go for the fucking.
Okay, can you
God
say
damn it.
GT2 RS is better than the GT3?
This guy's an idiot. Oh my god.
So he talks shit. So
I legit, my little brother. I'm telling you.
Why are you copying my glasses? First of all, my glasses are better.
Are they?
I'm gonna
Are they
start
the
talking
same?
shit. And if
it
you
the
start
same?
crying,
Yes, black
Looks
and
the
red.
same.
if you start crying,
He's
I'm gonna
copying
FaceTime your lawyer. My wife, she's gonna tell you to shut the fuck up.
She knows you make it worse.
Yeah.
She's working pro
She
bono.
knows. She knows. Lineup's fantastic.
No, I never said it was fast. I never said.
Oh man. Got the other 2RS coming in. Damn.
Turbos, exhaust, man.
He's gonna fucking smoke the shit out of me and all of us. Oh, look at that carbon on there. Oh, brutal. All right, so we're playing Tetris right now, trying to line everybody up together. This is so dope. We are all so damn blessed. Hey man, we're blessed, bro.
You're definitely blessed. What's cool too, like this is like all cars of like our.
Yeah,
people.
our friends, like our close friends. So the fact that we all kind of share it is it's pretty amazing. It's rare. I don't know what we're doing, but we're figuring it out. I don't think we're waiting for anybody else. I think that's everybody. We're just gonna take some flicks, get it done, get rollers in. Look at this guy, bro. Who does that? Douche material right here, dog. Hey, cool guy.
Yeah, Mr. Cool Guy. You know something cute? I had a 911 Turbo S when you were like 12.
Wait, so how old does that make you now? How old does that make you now?
Yeah, jeez, this is gross, dude.
Smoking kills.
How old are you?
Smoking kills.
How old are you?
It is bad for you.
How much do you weigh?
It's too heavy. You said you're too heavy.
The suspension's bottoming out, dude.
Come on, just dipping down on this side. It's okay though. Elias still does have the fastest car here. I'll admit that.
Hey, that's my car right there.
Costum's very mad because some people were driving slow. I was driving fast. I was keeping up pretty well. Sean was on his phone 90% of the time.
I was trying to get everybody together.
You need walkie-talkies.
Yeah, we need walkie-talkies for sure. Alright, so now we're gonna try to figure out how to line everybody up. We're gonna go down this freeway right here, catch the sunset, and hopefully get a really good clip of all the Porsches down the ramp and get the ocean. Got some of the other boys back over there. I don't even know what that is. What is that? I don't know. You guys see that? I have no idea what car that is. We're gonna meet up at Pelican Hill now, and I don't know what we're gonna do. I gotta get back to the wifey. We got some things to do, but yeah, it should be cool. What? What is that? That is sick. I wonder how expensive that is. All right, let's roll.
Quick stop at Pelican Grill. Crazy views out here. We got those hooligans. I'll grab a table real quick.
I haven't got a chance to stay out here yet, but probably like to take my wife out here. Brandon's my date for the night, bro. Hell yeah. You know how it is.
GT2 boys.
You know what's loud is Zeno's car.
Zeno's car is so loud.
It's really loud. I was floored all the way to all the way 7,000, and I couldn't hear my own car. I could only hear his.
Yeah, same.
What is his exhaust again?
He has the same thing as me, exact identical exhaust, but I have sport cats. He has no cats.
Yeah, the no cats will do it.
Alright, comment section. Let us know your favorite.
Alright, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to conclude the vlog from here because today is Sunday. Tomorrow is going to be a busier day. Usually Monday is like my busiest day, but we're concluding the day, brought the GT2 RS back home, and it was a pretty fun ass day. So I will see you guys on the next day. I'll probably just be vlogging for pretty much close to the rest of the week. So we'll see you. So it's Monday, and Monday is usually my busiest day of the week. This is kind of where I'm catching up over things from last week, setting goals for this coming week, and kind of setting the tone as well. You know, it's been daylight savings that just passed by, and honestly, it kind of sucks because now my days are cut like way shorter, but I am waking up a little bit earlier. But it kind of sucks going to the gym at 5 p.m. and it's like pitch black. It looks like it's like 9 p.m. It kind of sucks. But today we're gonna be focusing on some new clients onboarding for some of the Amazon stores that we're building for some of our clients right now. So I've been doing that. We're gonna have some meetings there, making sure everything is good. And then I have to review my Amazon account because we have some inventory that's gonna be coming in the next coming week. And also trying to get this product right here is a supplement brand that I'm trying to get launched soon. So I'm trying to get through the human ingestible process right now. Being a pain in the ass for me, to be honest. So we have that coming out. I'm super excited to get into the supplement game and launch products a little bit more holistically. And I've been in the Amazon game for a long time, so I kind of understand, I understand it very, very well, but I don't know all of the other possible channels out there, such as doing Shopify, Meta Ads, TikTok Shop as well. So these are all really different channels that I've never really gotten into. So today we're gonna be working on that, and then we'll find some time to hit the gym and then call it a day. But Monday, it's busy. All right guys, we just wrapped up a work block right here. I just finished a ton of calls, meetings, Slack stuff, recording content. Making content is exhausting, okay? Even doing this right now, I'm just like, it's so tiring, but it's gotta be done because I know you guys enjoy it and stuff like that. Hopefully you guys like this new little setup for content, I guess. I just needed a backdrop. I feel like this looks really, really good. Shout out to Heather for helping build this all together. We also have my cars in the garage here, so that looks pretty cool. It's always kind of motivating to be able to look back and see all of that. But I don't know about you guys, but I'm the type of person who likes to work out after I've completed my day, or at least completed a work block as well. So either sometimes I go in the morning, but it's kind of sporadic. Depending on the day, I might go in the afternoon, midday, or might go in the evening. But now I get to reward myself. I finished a long day. I like going to the gym to reward myself. So I'm gonna get pre-workout, down that shit, take the car out, start ripping it, and have a good workout session. So let's go to the gym.
So today's an upper body day and I'm feeling kind of lazy, so I'm not gonna take the Porsche, I'm gonna take the Maybach. Yes, sir. The V12, got the Maybach lights like that. I think it's pretty cool. This is probably my favorite part. The emblem right here. But
Everyone knows Mercedes is king for their interiors. I'll show you guys. Isn't that nice? Wow, bro. Yeah. Whole back lights up. My wife has the seat back like a lowrider. I don't know what the hell's going on there. But this is the best part of this car. I love it, is the ambient lighting and how comfortable it is. I've had a Rolls Royce before. I really like that car too. I think this is pretty close to it. Rolls Royce is a little bit more comfortable, I'll admit. But for this car, 200 grand, less than 200 grand, you can't go wrong with it. Let's go to the gym. Boys, that is going to conclude today's workout and vlog for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, see you guys. Peace.